Moomoo is a one-stop smart trading platform brought to you by Futu. Whether you're a technical investor or a value investor, Moomoo provides everything you need. For technical investors, stock screening with advanced filters is critical to easily zero in on a few stocks that meet your criteria. Moomoo has a comprehensive stock screener that allows you to filter by descriptive, financial, or technical indicators. Serious traders need to monitor thousands of stocks at the same time. Moomoo supports multi-screen view with its desktop apps, so you can set up your mission control in no time. When analyzing where the price may be trending, it's important to have not only the essential indicators like KDJ, MACD, but also the ability to draw your own lines on the price charts. Moomoo is praised for having the most comprehensive set of technical charts and 22 drawing tools on either mobile or desktop. Plus, your data on either app is synchronized in real time. To best assess price actions, experienced traders look to Level 2 data, which is real-time bids and asks. Moomoo gives you access to Level 2 data for free. If you want to further research into any stock, you can use the capital, technical, and fundamental analysis tools within the Moomoo app, and similar chart that provides AI-powered price forecast. Ever missing an important trade? Not with Moomoo. Go get the coffee or walk the dog. If anything changes in your holdings, Moomoo's alerts will give you the alert. For value investors, Moomoo is a comprehensive companion. Moomoo provides comprehensive financial data to help you quickly gain that insight. One of the most popular features is the visualized company's financial data that is available to you at your fingertips. It saves you the countless hours you would otherwise spend in entering data into a spreadsheet to plot charts. You'll never miss an economic data release, company earnings calls, IPOs, dividends and splits, because Moomoo keeps you informed with mobile alerts. You can also see positions from top institutions and discover new stocks to watch from the vibrant Moo community, where 15 million active traders post their trading ideas. What powers the seamless experience of Moomoo? Moomoo Inc. is an indirect, wholly owned subsidiary of Futu Holdings Limited. Futu is listed on NASDAQ in 2019 and has been growing rapidly since its IPO. Futu has also received a BBB investment-grade long-term issuer credit rating from S&P Global Ratings. It is the first online broker in the Asia-Pacific region to have obtained international rating and the first Hong Kong-based broker to have obtained standalone investment-grade issuer rating. Futu has been the most popular trading app provider in the Hong Kong, with its app ranking #1 in finance on the App Store. As of 2021, over 2 million clients worldwide have opened brokerage account with Futu. If you are serious about trading stocks, get yourself the best tool by downloading the Moomoo app today at moomoo.com.